Hi, in today's video we will see how we can plot a share price and its moving average and the Bollinger Bands. In this example we will be using the Tesla shares. You can see that from 2020 onwards it just skyrocketed, and you can see the Bollinger Bands being plotted, and the dotted line is the actual SMA, or the simple moving average 50 period SMA, and then this line, the black line, is the actual share price, closing prices on each day. So let's get started with this. We'll be using these three libraries: tidyquant to get the share prices, dploit to manage our data, and ggplot to plot our actual plots. To get the data, we need to give the command tq_get, which is from the tidyquant, and giving the code for the share and the starting date and the ending date. And if I run everything together, we should get our data. So the data is there, the symbol, the date. So let's create our first plot. I'm going to use the data which we have, and on the x-axis we have the date, and the y-axis we have the close price. And we just want to plot a line plot, and the color is steel blue. So let's run this, and we have a basic line plot which shows the closing price of the share up till August of 2021. Now I'm going to add some more information in there. Apart from the theme, I just want to add some titles. And before I run, I would want to also add actual Bollinger Bands. So I'm adding the Bollinger Bands there, saying JOM BB Bands. And the high price is the high price from this, and the lower price is the field called low in our data, and close is the close price which we have. So using that, and we say the MA function, or the moving average function, is the SMA, which is the simple moving average, and we going to use n equals 50, so 50 period simple moving average, and the color of the moving average should be blue. And now we want to have the color bands. The color bands, as you know, that the Bollinger Bands has two upper and the lower band. The bands would actually be red, and the area between the two bands will be filled with yellow. So let's run it and see what we get. So here is our plot. We have the actual share price, which is the zigzag lines going up and down, and the dotted line is the actual simple moving average, the 50 period moving average, and the red dotted lines, the top one and the bottom ones, are the two Bollinger Bands, and then they are filled with the yellow color. So I hope you found this information useful. Using this method, you can plot any share. Just change the share code and the start date and end date. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.